Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML using FreeCodeCamp. First, visit the FreeCodeCamp website and locate the Responsive Web Design Certification section. This comprehensive curriculum is designed to guide you through the fundamentals of web development. Begin by enrolling in the HTML and CSS course, which provides structured lessons and interactive coding challenges. You'll start building foundational web pages right away, gaining practical experience with essential elements. Once enrolled, you'll dive into core HTML concepts. The platform teaches you how to use fundamental tags for text, images, and links, forming the backbone of any web page. You'll also learn about semantic HTML, which helps organize content meaningfully. Interactive exercises allow you to immediately apply what you've learned, ensuring a solid grasp of each concept before moving forward. This hands-on approach makes learning effective and engaging. FreeCodeCamp emphasizes learning by doing, offering numerous coding challenges to solidify your skills. As you progress, you'll tackle 5 significant projects, such as a tribute page or a technical documentation page. These projects are crucial for earning your certification and demonstrate your ability to apply HTML in real-world scenarios. The integrated code editor provides instant feedback, helping you correct mistakes and understand best practices efficiently. After mastering HTML, FreeCodeCamp encourages you to continue your web development journey. You'll naturally transition into learning CSS for styling your HTML pages and JavaScript for adding dynamic functionality. The platform also covers important topics like web accessibility, ensuring your creations are usable by everyone. Remember to engage with the vibrant FreeCodeCamp community for support, collaboration, and to share your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.